Hello everyone, I'm Alex, founder of Askflow AI, and welcome to one of the most crucial segments of our Askflow tutorials, quiz publishing. By the way, if you haven't had a chance to check out our previous videos yet, they are all conveniently listed in the description below. This will help you gain a comprehensive understanding of Askflow AI. And should you require expert assistance, simply visit our website to schedule a free consultation with our team. The link can be also found in the description. So let's dive right in. Assuming you've already constructed a quiz and are eager to set it live on your store, I'll guide you through the process. Currently, your quiz is in draft mode. To make it live, you'll need to publish it. Click on the Publish button, and you'll receive HTML code that must be inserted into the relevant page or collection, depending on where you'd like the quiz to appear. Now, access the admin panel of your store. Choose the theme that's currently installed and click Customize. Next, pick the page where you want the quiz to operate. In my case, it's the pets collection. After selecting the page, navigate to Template section, where you'll need to create a new section. Choose Add section, then Customize Liquid. You can locate it via the search function or by scrolling down. The new section will appear on the page and you'll need to insert the code into it. Click directly on the section and paste your quiz here. Initially, it may not display the optimal resolution. To rectify this, specify the width and height of the screen in the code. The width remains standard at 100%, while the height should be adjusted to match your website's requirements. In my case, it's 700 pixels. With everything set up, click Save and observe how it appears on your website. Here is our page, complete with the quiz. Let's test it immediately to ensure everything is functioning as intended. We'll select the answers and voila, it's working perfectly. Thank you for tuning in to this video. The next one will be the final installment in this series, the quiz analytics. Stay tuned for more.